Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. For all my other subscribers and viewers of this channel, as you guys know, I hardly ever do a video at night. But after screening the news of what's going on in Jamaica a few minutes ago, I was disturbed by an article that I seen. I took it real personal and just thought, you know what? Let me get in front of this camera and let me utter my resentment and how disgusted I am by this news. I don't understand what's going on in Jamaica. A few weeks ago, an 8-year-old girl was suspected to be raped and killed and just tossed away. Then I read again that an 11-year-old girl is suspected to be raped and killed. And then a 74-year-old grandmother. Oh man, what's going on in Jamaica? In a previous video that I've done, I remember reading a comment that says the Jamaica that I'm referencing to and the Jamaica that's there now is pretty much two different Jamaica. And I'm starting to believe that notion because the raping and murdering of little children is unheard of for me. And now a grandmother. I was so disgusted by hearing the story about this lady because at the end of the day, it could have been my mother or grandmother. It could have been your mother or grandmother. A 74-year-old woman was attacked as someone was trying to rape her, and as she fought off her attacker a few minutes later, she was doused with some form of flammable liquid and set ablaze. The part that bothered me the most was after this old woman was taken to the hospital by the aid of her relatives, she still ended up dying. And the circumstances that surrounded her passing was just gut churning. It made me cringe. It made me really cringe to know that there's no real promised security for Jamaican citizens. According to what I heard on the news and what I've read, the one granddaughter of this woman states that she was told at the hospital, even though her grandmother arrived there alive and she was struggling to stay alive, a nurse actually told a relative of this woman that the only way your grandmother is gonna have a chance is for someone else to die. That just sounds so animalistic to me. That does not sound humane to me. And by the way, where is Chris Tufton? Is that his name, Christopher Tufton, the Ministry of Health? I didn't hear any mention of Christopher Tufton, and I didn't see any video of him addressing the matter. I would encourage the family of this woman who died under such disgraceful circumstances to file a civil suit against the Cornwall Regional Hospital for negligence, because it is inhumane. Are you telling me that, God forbid, I'm living in Jamaica and I'm injured in an emergency situation where it's a life or death matter, and my life hangs on the availability of a bed? Pretty much the hospital is saying, if there is no bed space, sorry, you'll be dead. This is disgusting, and this does not offer security to expats that's living abroad, and this definitely doesn't offer security to the Jamaicans that's currently living in Jamaica. And Christopher Tufton, the Cornwall Regional Hospital, Jamaica's Ministry of Health on a whole should be ashamed of themselves that something like this could happen. People live and people die. People meet tragic circumstances all the time, but isn't the vow, isn't the pledge to being a medical doctor to save lives by all means necessary? So It is disgusting, and it is in so much violation. It's a human rights violation. It's in so much violation that someone dies and someone was not attended to. They didn't even try to assist her while she's on a gurney. They pretty much just saying, you know what, as long as she's not in a bed, she's not a priority and she'll be dead. And the woman died. That disgusted me. My condolences to the family, and I understand that money cannot bring back your loved one. But by filing a lawsuit, by me even making a noise about the situation, is in hopes that the Jamaican government realize that Jamaicans wide and far, inside and outside of Jamaica, are watching what's going on, and hope that our criticism of these inhumane treatment may steer Jamaica's government to provide more security for its citizens. And that's pretty much all I have to say on this one. So, people, thanks again for watching. I ask of you guys who are in agreement with me and in resentment of such behavior of the Jamaican government and the Medicare that it's providing to comment and let Jamaicans know that we do care. And this whole quest of having a YouTube channel, it's not about likes, it's not about views, is in hopes that what I do here can actually make a positive change in Jamaica for Jamaican citizens. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time. Peace.